Traders, how you doing today? Great to have you this morning here on the 26th of July. And the market just opened. It's 9:37 Eastern Time right now. But I wanted to cover a trade that ATR Forecaster brought to me this morning. I turned on the computer shortly before this, got out of bed, made a cup of coffee, still drinking. And ATR Forecaster took a look at the oversold Russell this morning before the open. And here you can see the green dots are the parabolic SAR. Whenever market is below the ATR Forecaster oversold line, which is this green line. So we're oversold. And whenever price is below that, we start printing our parabolic SARs, looking for a breakout upward. Again, we're looking for a reversion to the mean. And I got in a little late. So the entry, you can see the first entry here was right there. I got in late. I got a bad fill. I really wanted to get in here. And I'm using a 20 tick stop on this. 20 ticks from there is it's 24. So let's go. Oh, don't want to do that. So it would have been... Stop should have been down here, okay? Woulda, shoulda, coulda, right? So I got filled here, and I was put the stop in right about that level. You can see where I actually got stopped out. And the market just did one tick past the low here before it just continued and reversed and shot up. So I did get in a little late, kind of gave me a bad stop out. I think I was down 120 bucks by this point, so it's 100 bucks for 20 ticks in the Russell. I decided to try and go long here. I got filled on a second position, which actually went my way for a short while before it got stopped out. So both of those did get stopped out. Again, $120 loss. And shortly, right after the bounce, right after I got filled, got stopped out, you can see I went long again because this market just reacted very strongly off of that low. So I got in at a very, very nice advantageous price here. I put my stop at 20 ticks below that. I had a stop down here. The market just rocketed upward, just shot upward, and I decided to add another position. So I went long again right at this high. Brought my average price to be right about the green line. Market sold off just a little bit right as the open ticked away, and you can see all the timestamps down here at the bottom. And shortly, very quickly, it moved up. And I moved my target upward to, my first target was the midpoint, right about there. You can see where I exited here. So my first contract from going long down here at that point up to here, that gain was about 260 bucks, not too shabby. And then my second contract, when I went long there, and I decided to get out after we hit the overbought level. So this pink line is the overbought in ATR Forecaster. That went out at 350. So all in all, I did pull in. I recovered my $120 loss, and I netted. Now I'm up about 485 bucks. Too bad I got out early because the market has continued up here. We're continuing a strong move in the Russell. So I just wanted to go through that with you. Very simple ATR Forecaster approach. I risked more than I was comfortable with, 120 bucks. And I was looking for that open to move up, and I covered my risk, kept on managing that very well. Again, I was shooting for an asymmetric risk. I didn't want to risk much, and I knew my target being basically the midline first and the pink line second, and everything came together today. So it was a beautiful trade, very happy with it. Thanks again for joining me. That's all I got for you today. If you have any questions about this indicator, if you want a chance to win a free license for it, hey, email me, put your information in the comments. We do a drawing on a regular basis, and put your name in. Tell me about your trading experience. Tell me where you're coming from. Tell me what you're doing, and get your entry in, and we'll contact you and get back to you. All right. Hey, thanks so much. God bless you today. I hope you're having a great day, and I wish you all the best on this beautiful Wednesday.